In the closure 2 video, the 6 to 18 minutes time is not properly seen. It's PPT. So I am repeating this 6 to 18 minute PPT again. That is related to the types of the head, which is incorporating the toruspherical head. The toruspherical head is the most commonly used heads. Now this incorporates the crown radius. Crown radius is nothing but the dish radius. Crown radius is the dish radius, the curvature provided to the dish, main curvature. And second is the knuckle radius, RK, that is the knuckle radius. This is the curvature provided towards the edges. And then there is a straight flange. Straight flange, that is generally 15 to 20 mm, and T is the thickness. Mostly this crown radius is equal to the diameter of the vessel, inside diameter of the vessel, or it is less than the inside diameter of the vessel. This crown radius with which the dishing is done is equal to the diameter of the vessel. The knuckle radius is 6 to 10% the diameter of the vessel. That means RK is only 6 to 10% of the vessel diameter. However, the RC, crown radius, is 80 to 100% of the vessel diameter. And the straight flange portion is around 15 to 20 millimeter. This straight flange portion is to reduce, is for connecting the head and the vessel. Generally, these vessels, they are used for pressure range between 1 kg per centimeter square to the 15 kg per centimeter square. And the thickness for toruspherical head, that is T, which is calculated as P RC or D upon 2Fj into the M, where M is the stress intensity factor, and RC is the crown radius, where RC will be equals to the diameter of the vessel and the mentioned percentage, where M, that is stress intensity factor, that is calculated as 1/4 3 plus root of RC upon RK. This RC, that will be more clear when we will see the numericals, which is after 18 minutes of closure to video. Then the elliptical head, that is also called as semi-ellipsoidal head. The major to minor axis ratio is 2:6, 2.6:1 or 2:1. That is, the major axis is 2.6 and minor axis is 1 times. Then generally these vessels, they are used above 15 kgs per centimeter square. Elliptical heads are used above 15 kgs per centimeter square. The thickness that can be calculated as PdV upon 2Fj. In the previous case, that is for toruspherical head, it is the M. In the elliptical head, it is the V. Now V, which is equal to the 1/6 into bracket 2 plus K square, where K is the major axis to the minor axis ratio. If the major axis to the minor axis is 2:1, then value of V that comes as the 1. Then the hemispherical head. Hemispherical head, that is the most costliest, but it gives the uniform stress distribution and the dispersion of the stresses is good, but the cost of fabrication is highest, so it is used for only high pressure vessels and for particular use only. The thickness calculated is the same as that of your spherical vessels. Thickness, which is equal to the PD upon 4FJ. That is what the thickness is calculated. Then there is a conical head. This conical heads, they are provided at the bottom of the evaporator, bottom of the cyclone separator, hydrocyclones, even at the bottom of the silos. Silos, they are nothing but to store the solids. As that is the bottom portion, it facilitates the free flow or free movement of the solids to the bottom. Generally, the cone angle is 30 to 40 degrees. And the calculation of thickness is again same as PD upon 2FJ into 1 upon cos alpha, where alpha is the half apex angle of the cone. Then heads subjected to the external pressure, they're calculated by using this TH equal to 4.4 RC into bracket 3 into 1 minus mu square raised to 0.25 into P upon 2A raised to 0.25. Then you can draw, you can pause this and you can draw all the 4 standard shallow dish head, torus spherical head, elliptical head, hemispherical head and conical head figures. Then the selection of the head. The torus spherical head, that will be used for the pressures up to 15 kgs per centimeter square. Above that, the elliptical head, they are provided, and for special purposes, the hemispherical head, and higher purposes, higher pressures, the hemispherical head, they are preferred. Flat plates, they are used only for atmospheric conditions. And in torus spherical head, you can have the different design considerations, that is 100 to 6 design, that is the common. However, 80 to 10 design is going to give you the economic head. Now 80 is your knuckle crown radius and 10 is your knuckle radius, 10% of the vessel diameter. In this case, 100% of the vessel diameter is your crown radius and 6% of the vessel diameter is your knuckle radius.